Hi there, Viewers Live, fantastic, amazing, marvellous, working fight display. Video UK 23. So like video, press the button on the left side screen right now, please. Wow, incredible, isn't it? Super amazing fight display, working fight right now. Wow. Oh, super amazing, fantastic music and fight display at the same time. Stars are bright tonight. Wow, display. Sparkling. Fantastic. Amazing. Incredible. Really high traffic. Wow. Super amazing. Incredible. Always keep safe for your fire displays though. Keep your distance when you're lighting the fire display. The way I went at home. So I've done in the past. Amazing. Super cool. Incredible, super amazing, wow, fabulous, super, wow, amazing, wow, stunning. They're all very, very well timed, aren't they? Wow, very perfection fireworks, perfection shoot. Wow, yeah, incredible guys, super amazing. Another one. Wow. Wow. Super. There's a load indeed, Rory. Wow. This is your service, Rory. This is better lower, is it? No shots there, Mark. There's the rain. Woohoo! Yeah! Weather forecast at the moment, talking about heavy showers across Waking Towers and Infinite earlier on this afternoon. Wow! Crazy firework, amazing firework display. Wow! Super cool, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! Wow, this is dynamite firework display now. Amazing. Working fight display sitting right now in the park. Video, subscribe to my channel, Sunday Devils of the Force, with your boys. Whoa, that's very close. Whoa, 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 wow, wow. Super amazing fight display. Subscribe to my channel, Sunday Devils, or speak with your boys. It's my friend's Mikey Dimmer. Wow. I said Friday 3, sorry, Hills Ratio, every Friday 3 to 5 PM. And as usual, that will be 1500 together every Friday. Incredible. Subscribe to Sunday Devils.